storage. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own personal computer. I'm going to go ahead and take this, which is your motherboard. Now, it will only go pretty much the one way, so you really can't screw it up because you got these ports which go towards the back of the machine, and that's how it's going to go. So you're just going to go ahead and put it in just like this, and you'll see it does line up. If you look at the back right here, see the components line up and they'll come right through there. And then we're just going to go ahead and line these screws up. You see how the brass screws line up here. And then as soon as that's all set, then we can go ahead and get the screws and screw it down. This right here is the base screw. You'll see it's very short and will go into the brass, and you have the little part that's going to connect right to the board and keep it in place because it's a little bit thicker on top there. So I'll go ahead and use that, and I'm just going to go ahead and put one of these in here real quick. All right, I have that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off these other holes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 holes here, so I'm going to go ahead and put all those screws in. Same screws that will go all around. That will hold the board right in place for you. So I'll go ahead and do that. Obviously, you don't need to see that. Same idea, just put them in place. Don't over tighten them because they are the brass things that you actually screw into, so that might break. So just be very careful.